Hello everyone, welcome to Trade Talks. This is my first video, so let me give you a brief introduction about what I'll be posting and talking about in this channel. So I'll be mainly focusing on SPY, which is the S&P 500 ETF, and with that I'll be also breaking down the earning reports of major companies that has performed well in the past quarters. My idea here is to simplify the stock market analysis so that a person with little to no knowledge can easily understand the trends. Before we start the analysis, I want to say one thing that I'm not a financial advisor, so don't take anything I say as a financial advice. Let's just get started with the analysis now. So I'm looking at SPY on a daily time frame on TradingView. We can see here SPY had a huge downtrend from 524 to 495 from April to end of the April, I guess. So yeah, so you can see here it started on April 2nd until April 22nd. So since then, SPY has been on an uptrend. It has been making higher highs and higher lows, as you can see here. So SPY is on a very good uptrend. So the reason why this downtrend happened is because of the inflationary data. So the inflationary data was too hot. The CPI data was also hot. So what happened was, so the inflation was at 3.6, and with that, the Fed also saying that there has been a lack of progress in bringing down the inflation to their target, which is 2%. So due to that, they said we're not going to do any interest rate cuts in the coming near future. So that's why this huge downtrend has happened. But since then, SPY has been recovering from the big downtrend. What happened here is when it broke the all-time high of 524 is because the inflation data has finally cooled and inflation has come down to 3.4 from 3.6, so which is a good sign. So that is why SPY has been is on a really big uptrend. Can we see a pullback on SPY? So if that is the question, then definitely yes, because see, look at here. So there is a huge imbalance of price here. The price directly jumped from 523 and opened at 525. So so it directly jumped from 523.30 to 525.83. That is a huge jump. So there is an imbalance up here. So price will definitely come here. I can see SPY going up till 535 as NVIDIA results are going to come at 5 p.m. today. So watch out for that. So with that results coming up, SPY might push a little bit high to 535 and make a new high, and maybe then we could see a pullback here. So the reason why I'm saying we could see a pullback is look at SPY. Okay, let's just go a little bit back on the time. So let's go see. SPY is respecting this red line from a very long time. Look at this. So every time the price is extended from this line, price will definitely come back to this line. So does that mean that price is going to come all the way down to 520, 520, 519? No. See, look at this. What is this red line? This is an EMA, exponential moving average. So what happens if SPY consolidates or moves sideways around here? So the average price will be somewhere around here. So the the line will extend up to here, so it will come up here. So then the price touches the red line of somewhere around 524. So there is an imbalance here, and the price is also extended. So I think price will be coming down to 524, even though if it takes a bull run something around like 535. I think SPY coming down to until 524. So if anyone wants to trade or take a long call on SPY, you can enter here. So it is not also guaranteed that this will hold, okay? So it might even come down to this price. If it comes down to this price, somewhere around 512, 506, 508, you can I would say you can just simply average your price here and get a long call. And remember to use your stop loss, make this as your stop loss. Understand stop losses are very important when you're trading this SPY because market is very manipulative. You can never predict the market, but always have stop losses. So with that being said, I can see SPY coming down to this 524, but yeah, it doesn't come right away. So we have to wait for the price to do its thing. So I think SPY will be going up to 535, and then we can see a pullback up to 524. Let's just take a look at the levels. So I'm on the 4-hour time frame on SPY. So as you can see here, so SPY. So don't just get confused with these pockets and all drawings. Let me just clear this out. So those are just the levels that we just spoke about. So you will just get a little more clarity when I just show you on the daily time frame. Okay, so this white rectangular box is nothing but the imbalance that we have here, the gap up. Okay, so this is where price might come back and get a bounce and go up till new highs. It might break 535 and go up, make a new high at 540, 545, 550. But it will not go in a single day or a single week. It will go eventually, it will go up till 550, 545, but it won't go on a single day like this. Okay, understand that? So let's go into the 4-hour time frame. So these are just those levels. Don't just worry. This is not any complex stuff. These are just the levels that I'm on that I think price might have a huge resistance or a support. So if price comes till this price, that is very good. So it might take a bounce from here. But as you can see on a shorter time frame, let's go a little bit, let's zoom this a little bit more. As you can see here, SPY is having a resistance at this point. So, and see, there is an uptrend on SPY. See, See, the price is respecting this trend line. So it is making higher. It is not making any higher highs. It's just making higher lows. So it is on an uptrend, but it is facing a huge resistance at 531.50. So I'm thinking SPY will break this 531.50 and go past this and make new levels up to 535. I'm guessing. So because the NVIDIA results are coming out at 5 o'clock today, so I think that will be a huge boost for SPY to push a little bit more higher. If SPY breaks 531.50, we can see new levels around somewhere around 535, which is around here. Let me mark this 535. This we can see this, and we might even see 533. So that's we can see 533. If it breaks 533, the price can go all the way up to 535. So that is the upside. If there is a downside, SPY might go all the way up to 524 and get a bounce back at 525 or 544. Doesn't matter because it's all the same. So it might go all the way down here and get a bounce. Or if this zone doesn't hold, I can see if SPY going all the way down to 522 or 520. And if this breaks, we can see a lot more downside. It doesn't happen on a single day, so let's just discuss on another day if it goes down ways. But I think SPY is not going to go down. I can see SPY going up and make a new high at 533. And if it breaks 533, it can go all the way up to 535. Let's see what happens and stay tuned. So if you like my video, please subscribe, and I'll be posting another video on NVIDIA earnings once the earnings are out. So make sure you subscribe, and thank you.